Regardless of which market you're navigating, be it the Nifty, Forex, crypto, or stocks, these two amazing indicators I will show you today will enhance your trading approach. So without further ado, let's add the Liquidity Weighted Moving Average indicator. Once added to your chart, will guide you through fine-tuning the essential settings. Discover the simplicity of our efficient tool that eases your trading experience by automatically determining the market trend. Here's how it works. If the price candle appears above the ribbon, it signals a bullish trend. Conversely, if the price candles are positioned below the ribbon, it indicates a downward trend. But before we move on in our strategy, let's talk about backtesting, a key step in validating your approach. We recommend TradeGenius, a fast and user-friendly backtesting tool. This efficient tool automatically computes all the essential trading results you need, saving your time and effort while providing valuable insights. TradeGenius' innovative features allow you to focus on analyzing and refining your trading strategy, making the process more seamless and effective. By clicking the link in the video description below, you can start your journey. Now let's get back to the strategy and add the second indicator called Super Trend Oscillator. After adding it to the chart, we'll walk you through a few quick settings adjustments. This one kind of oscillator serves as your trading signal compass. Here's a simple way to use this tool along with our first indicator. To enter a buy trade, first ensure the market is in an uptrend, which means the price should be above the liquidity weighted moving average indicator ribbon. Next, look for a buy signal when a blue bar emerges above the midline following a few red histogram bars. This is your cue to enter a buy trade with confidence. To minimize risk, set your stop loss at the recent swing low or below the ribbon. Additionally, establish a trade target that is 1.5 times greater than your risk. And to initiate a sell trade, you should first confirm that the market is in a downward trend. This can be determined when the price falls below the liquidity weighted moving average indicator ribbon. Following this, keep an eye out for a sell signal. This is when a red bar appears below the midline after a series of blue histogram bars. This is your indication to confidently enter a sell trade. To manage risk effectively, position your stop loss at the recent swing high or above the ribbon. Furthermore, aim for a trade target that is 1.5 times greater than your risk. And now I'm excited to share the results of backtest. Using a 3-minute time frame on the Bitcoin chart, we applied our strategy and witnessed outstanding results. A 61% win rate accompanied by steady wins that lead to an impressive 175% profit. The success doesn't stop there. Our strategy showcased a robust profit factor of 2.35, meaning our overall gains surpassed our total losses by a factor of 2.35. This underscores the strategy's potential to yield profits while effectively managing risk. During the backtest, we observed a winning streak of 9 trades and a losing streak of 5 trades. But for those seeking a high win rate strategy to enhance their earnings, we highly recommend checking out this recommended video.